Hey, this is Ryan Smith DDS. I am a dentist, entrepreneur, and real estate investor, and I love the field of dentistry. Over the past 10 years, I have owned and operated over 15 dental practices, a dental management office, a dental lab, a dental supply company, and dental assisting school with multiple locations, and invested in numerous real estate properties throughout the Pacific Northwest. And again, I love the field of dentistry. However, I am getting concerned about the trajectory of dentistry and the headwinds that dentists are now facing. I have done a lot in the field of dentistry, and I want to do more, but in order to do that, we need to fix some things. When you look at the real adjusted pay, dentists currently make 20% less than they did 10 years ago. Over the next 10 years, we are projected to have another 16% decrease. So during this 20-year span, we will be making on average 31% less than before. This is one of the largest decreases in all professions. New dentists are less prepared than ever when leaving dental school. Debt is insane, with dental schools now costing over 5 times what they did compared to 40 years ago. Every year for the next 10 years, we are projected to have more dentists graduating than retiring. Insurance reimbursements are stagnant and in some cases decreasing. DSOs are consolidating as many practices as they can and flipping for quick cash to venture capital firms. This takes wealth and success out of the hands of dentists and into the hands of corporations. Costs of materials and services are increasing quickly, and not enough people are in the labor pool. Staff costs are rising quickly, employee output and efficiency is decreasing. No one, including the ADA, is looking out for dentists to help fight these horrific headwinds. If we don't do something to correct the current trend, much of what made dentistry an amazing profession will disappear, and we will just be another industry destroyed by consolidation, depleted of hope, and opportunity will slowly disappear. On this channel, I want to help combat this by keeping dentistry a profession full of opportunity where if we work hard, we can all be successful. I want to help dentists be better prepared earlier on in their career and be more productive and efficient in their practices. We need to find ways to change the current hygiene-driven model that economically just doesn't work well anymore. Dentists need to take control back in their offices and not be held hostage by their staff and hygienists. We need to work to decrease costs and combat the economic pressures placed on us by PPO insurances. We need to look at the organizations that supposedly represent dentists and either get them to help us, or we need to remove all our money from them and let them go bankrupt. While a lot of this is discouraging, there are plenty of reasons for hope. I look forward to better connecting with each of you as we work to keep dentistry a great profession for many years to come.